Hi, my sweet people. Today I actually made these peanut butter stuffed French toast. And if you want to know how I made this, then do keep on watching. The items you'll need will be bread, peanut butter, maple syrup, milk, cinnamon powder, vanilla essence, salt, sugar, butter, and powdered sugar, egg, and blueberries. You can get your mixing bowl and add in your egg, and then you can add in your milk, vanilla essence, and sugar together with your cinnamon. Once you've added it all, then you can combine it and mix it well. You can get another bowl if yours is like mine, small, and you can't really coat the bread later on, so you can just get another one or use a better, bigger one that you can coat the bread later on. So yeah, on another plate you can add in your bread, and as a peanut butter sandwich, so you just get 2 slices of bread and then add in the peanut butter on both sides if you want, and just join the breads together so they can make it a sandwich. Once you've made the sandwich, you can grease your pan and get ready to fry the bread, and then you can just coat your bread, your sandwich with the egg batter and just fry it until golden brown. So it should be golden brown like this, and I really love French toast, so actually I don't mind making all kinds of French toast if I can find the recipe. So I'm just making different kinds of French toast and also discovering them myself. It's the first time, like maybe you also do. Once you have fried the sandwiches, then you can just cut them if you want, and then you will see that the peanut butter is will be like a kind of a thin mixture instead because of the heat. So once you've done that, then you can go on to the next step of adding in all of your sugar, powdered sugar, the fruits and everything, so they can make it like a nice looking French toast before you start to eat it. So yeah, so you can I'm adding in blueberries and banana, which I didn't include earlier, but if you want you can add in berries or banana if you want. If you don't want, of course you can you know, don't add it. So this is really optional, it's up to you. So I'm just adding in fruits because I kind of like fruits and French toast together. It's kind of nice combo, so sometimes I try to mix it up. So first time I'm actually using banana and blueberries together. Then once you've added the fruits, you can add in your powdered sugar, and then you can put in your maple syrup. And also please forgive the shadows, I'm still trying to figure out a new way to actually film the video, so please forgive that. If you are a peanut butter lover, I'm sure you're gonna love this, because I'm not really a peanut butter lover, but I'm fine with it at times. So first time I'm trying this, I'm like, okay, not bad, but maybe I can't really finish everything because it was like a little bit too much for me. Maybe because I don't really like peanut butter, or maybe because it was a little bit of a thick feeling. That's the end of the video, guys, and hope you guys like the recipe. Don't forget to try it, and also like and subscribe the video if you really liked it, and let me know how you felt if you do try the recipe as well. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys, see you in my next video.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.